Casinos are places of excitement and anticipation. The clinking of chips, the shuffling of cards, and the murmur of the crowd all contribute to an atmosphere of high stakes and high hopes. But behind the glitz and glamour lies a world of precision and craftsmanship, particularly in the creation of the essential tools of the trade. Playing cards and casino chips. These seemingly simple objects are the result of meticulous processes designed to ensure fairness, durability, and security. The journey of a playing card begins with the selection of the right paper stock. Unlike ordinary paper, playing card stock is specially manufactured to be both flexible and tear-resistant, able to withstand countless shuffles, deals, and bends. The paper is then printed with the familiar faces and suits, using high-quality inks that resist fading and smudging. To prevent cheating, modern playing cards incorporate various security features. These can include intricate patterns visible only under ultraviolet light, microprinting, and even embedded radio frequency identification tags. Once printed, the sheets of cards are laminated with a thin layer of plastic for added durability and a smooth finish. Finally, the cards are cut into individual pieces, inspected for imperfections, and packaged, ready to be dealt onto the green felt of the casino tables. Casino chips, with their distinctive colors and designs, are more than just tokens. They are symbols of wealth and luck. The manufacturing process starts with a carefully formulated mixture of materials, typically clay or ceramic composite. This mixture is pressed into molds under high pressure to create the basic shape of the chip. The design of the chip, often incorporating the casino's logo and specific markings for different denominations, is then engraved or imprinted onto the surface. To deter counterfeiting, casinos employ a range of security measures in their chips. These can include holographic inserts, unique edge spots, and even microchips embedded within the chip itself. Security and scrutiny, ensuring fairness in every hand. After the initial molding and printing, the chips undergo a series of rigorous quality checks. This includes verifying their weight, diameter, and thickness to ensure consistency and prevent cheating. The edge spots, a series of colored markings around the perimeter of the chip, are also carefully inspected for accuracy. The final step in the process involves a thorough cleaning and polishing of the chips to give them their characteristic shine. They are then carefully counted, packaged, and shipped to casinos around the world, where they will become part of countless games of chance and strategy. The unsung heroes of the casino floor. The next time you find yourself at a casino table, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into the cards and chips you hold. From the selection of materials to the intricate security features, each step in the manufacturing process plays a crucial role in ensuring a fair and enjoyable gaming experience. The unsung heroes behind the scenes, from the printers to the mold makers, contribute to the magic and allure of the casino world.